Hi, my name is Carolina and I am a content creator. I have 3 boys. The reason we chose Escape Kit is because as parents, we are always looking for different ways to connect with our boys. We played The Little Prince and The Cursed Treasure because we have boys from different ages, so we were looking for something that appealed to both of them. And well, to be honest, they played both games and had a lot of fun. During winter, we spent a lot of time at home. So thinking about escape room was a great opportunity for us to explore something new.
Adventure! Mystery. Discovery!